Hi everyone, this is Abhinendra from CG Artist Academy and I'm back with a new tutorial. After a long time, I was not able to create tutorials just because I was busy with some production works. But now I have a little time, so I thought I could create a new tutorial for you guys. And I hope the earlier tutorial I have uploaded, you have learned from that. Okay, so today's tutorial is about introduction to Arnold renders in Maya, because Arnold is a very popular renderer these days and it used in movies, advertisement sector and everything. So I'll be using Maya 2015 for this tutorial. So let's start. This is a very basic tutorial for those who don't know anything about Arnold at all. So basically this is a Maya viewport, as you know, and to first see where to find Arnold, what you need to do is go to your Windows, setting and preferences, and plugin manager. Here, drop down over here, and you have to see if you have already installed Arnold. So you can see this plugin. Okay, so it's a maya to arnold.mil file. You just need to load it, auto load again, refresh and close it, and after that go to the file and save preferences. So Arnold is loaded, and to see, you can find a tab of Arnold renderer on your shelves also. So where it is, Arnold, let me check. So in shelves you can find Arnold tab over here, and you have some menus over here: flash texture, flash background, flash quads. All these contents are over there. So in there you can find a tab also over here also, in which you can see Arnold is over there, Arnold render view, stand-ins, lights, volumes, flush, utilities, about, and all these things. Okay, so then we will go to the hypershade. To open it, go to your Windows, rendering editors, and hypershade. So the hypershade is open now, and there you can see Arnold and all the related shaders and all you can get over here. If you click on shaders, you can get all the shaders, like default shader, AI skin, AI here, AI standard, AI utility, AI wireframe, and all that. I have installed all surface shaders also, so I am getting these also, which I will show you in next tutorial while elaborating about shading and lighting. This is just a basic introduction, so I am not getting into too much. So there it is. If you click on AI shaders, this is very basic. So if you go to its tab, you can find very much presets over there. Click on the preset and you can see balloon, ceramic, car paint, chocolate, chrome, clay, glass, gold, velvet, wax, wheel rims. These are the preset shaders you can use for your projects, for your materials, shading and all. Okay, now let's close the hypershade, and what I'm going to do is create a polygon plane, and I'll be just putting a area light over here just to show you how to use these tabs. So this is the area light in Arnold. Click on it, put it over here, just a little back, scale it and rotate a bit. Okay, so I just placed a light over here, and what I need to see is how it's looking, how it's affecting on this polygon plane. So click on render view, so you can see nothing has been shown. So if I see a alpha over here, I can see there is a plane, but light is not affecting. So its intensity is 1. Okay, so in a basic Maya lights, when we are using Mentalay and all, you need to increase the intensity to see the effect of light. But in Arnold, you have to increase the exposure of the light. So what I'm going to do is increase the exposure, let it be 5. So you can see the intensity is now increased. So now if I render, I have to see something, but still I am not seeing anything. I don't know why. Just let me check again. I need to increase it more. Let's do it 10. See, now I can see the light effect on this plane. If I do the 15, you can see it's affecting. Okay, so it's just a basic. So if you want to increase the sampling of lights, you don't want grain and all, just increase the samples. So it will increase the render time, but your quality would be nicer. Okay, so here you can see a render view. If you want to do a regular render, you can do it right here also. Change the renderer Arnold and just click render. You can see both things are same, but I find myself this render view is much faster, so I mostly use this one. Or you can use my default lights also. Go to this rendering tab and open this, maybe this point light. In this light you will find this tab Arnold. Okay, so open it and use this exposure to increase, like maybe 10. Push it above, and now let's see the render view. Yeah, now you can see. So this is the thing, not every light is supported in Arnold. So there are few, let me show you, which are you can use in Arnold Render also. It's like direction light, point light. You can't use volume and ambient light. Okay, now let's put this exposure to 0 again and see the render view. Okay, you may still find that the scene is a little dark. Okay, because the point lights that in Arnold use quadratic decay by default, because that is what happened in the real world. Arnold is actually Arnold is work like according to real world physically accurate light. Okay, because of that approach, we always use decay type quadratic. So now I'm going to increase the exposure a bit. 5C, you can see the lights are working now. As well as I increase the exposure of the light, like 8, you can see. Okay, just to render your first scene in Arnold, what you have to do is create some polygons, put it over a plane, maybe scale it a bit, and like here, this is your perspective view. Select a light. I always prefer area light. Scale it, place it over here, just rotate a bit, and let's see in renderer view, increase the exposure like 5, maybe 10. Now you can see a nice light over here, shadows and all. This is just a first render view for you guys, just to know how to see renders, how to look geometry in Arnold Render view. So this is just a basic. This is an interactive viewport in this Arnold view. you can stop this so it won't be a real time now. So when you play it, now it's again, you can hold your scene also. Okay, so whatever you do, you can see in this render view in real time. So this is very nice feature in Arnold. I like it very much. Okay, so this is just a basic introduction of Arnold, how to set up a quick render in your Arnold view. Hope you guys like this tutorial. This is just a basic, and after quite a long time I started tutorials, so give me some time to back in the flow. So thank you guys, thanks a lot for subscribing my channel, watching my tutorials. I really appreciate that, and I would like you to suggest your friends also to subscribe my channel, like my videos. I hope you have learned few things from this tutorial. Thanks for liking. Thanks a lot.